Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify influencer metrics in Grin for US campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To verify influencer metrics in Grin for US campaigns, start by logging into your Grin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Influencers tab on the left side of your dashboard. Use the search bar to find the influencer you want to verify. Click on the influencer's name to access their detailed profile. In the Profile Overview, locate the Metrics section. Here, you will find key performance indicators like follower count, engagement rate, and average likes. Next, review the engagement rate to ensure it aligns with your expectations. To confirm follower authenticity, scroll down to the Audience section. Here, you can see audience demographics such as age, gender, and location. Check for a significant percentage of followers based in the US, as this is crucial for your campaign. Next, examine the influencer's recent posts for additional context on engagement. Look at the likes and comments to gauge audience interaction. Consider using the Recent Posts tab to see a range of content performance metrics. If available, click on the Reach metric to assess the influencer's visibility across platforms. For in-depth analysis, consider integrating third-party tools for additional verification. Review any potential disqualifying metrics such as high churn rates or suspicious spikes in follower count. Finally, document all findings for your records, ensuring you have comprehensive data for each influencer. Your metrics verification process in Grin is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.